Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Riley Noster. For this fall semester, my placement was with the Barry Trojan Swim Club. I was the marketing assistant for them. Our website is www.teamunify.com. And this is a screenshot of our website homepage. Process requirements. I was struggling at the beginning of the semester to find a placement. My stepmother, who is the current head of marketing and house league director for the Barry Trojan Swim Club, offered me to work as her assistant, as I accepted. Responsibilities for assistant marketer includes responsible for all BTSC marketing, media, communications, and advertisement, manage BTSC website design and content, and oversee all administrative duties for house league registration, attendance sheets, and registration statuses. My first goal going into a placement was to make new connections with others in the sport and recreational industry. I did so, making about 4 or 5 new contacts. I would have liked to have more, but since I work from home a lot, it was kind of difficult to do so. My second goal was to master a new skill that would help me perform better in the sport and recreational workplace. My Excel knowledge has grown a lot from creating attendance sheets, tracking sponsors, and creating forms. All of this has added to my knowledge of using Excel. My third goal was making the Barry Trojan Swim Club a better place. I did so through my organizational skills. This helped me and both my coworkers stay on top of our work and our emails, especially our sponsors as well, and kept everything done in a timely manner. My fourth goal was to take more initiative in regard to the Barry Trojan Swim Club. Instead of just helping out with the marketing side, I did my best to stay busy, whether that was helping with tournaments, creating forms for events, or wrapping all the 300 gifts for all the swimmers for our Xmas party this coming Saturday. My fifth goal was to find a new sponsor at any level. As you can see, our levels are platinum, gold, silver, and bronze. I wasn't able to do this, but I did help many new sponsors fill out forms and added all of their images onto the website you see on your right. Success. I could have improved, I think. I did complete 4 out of 5 of my goals, which I was satisfied with. I would like to still network more and find more sponsors, but overall, I think I did a very good job, and I definitely found the industry that I've destined to work for in. I couldn't have done this without the help of my coworkers, which were very open and understanding to all my questions, and I did have a lot of questions. They made coming into work a pleasure instead of really thinking about it as a job, which is very nice to see, finally. Some highlights with working with the BTSC was our silent auction, which was held last month. We had donations from volunteers, coaches, swimmers, parents. That was all revenue for the club. And we have an upcoming Christmas breakfast this coming Saturday, just to show recognition and achievement to all the swimmers. Some missed opportunities. I could have attended more tournaments. We had one about every other week in Barry, and I was only about able to make it out to 1 or 2, which I really regret doing. And I also wanted to network, as I said before, with more individuals through the club. Recommendations. I would for anyone looking to be a part of the BTSC, I would contact Sue Brooker. She, alongside with the entire team, are very flexible and open to new co-ops for students in the sport and rec industry. I would also recommend volunteering to gain knowledge, not just for this co-op, but for every other co-op you do as well. Experience is very important to all co-ops and job opportunities. Also, to be ready for a lot of working from home. About 90% of my work was done through my laptop at home, so this means you have to stay on top of your work and stay organized. Next semester, I will become the Director of Marketing with the BTSC. Since I need to double my hours and my stepmother is going on mat leave, the athletic director and board agreed to hire me full-time for the rest of the swimming season, alongside with my supervisor still helping me out. My job description is as followed. So all of these I will read out a few. Manage BTSC community events, manage marketing products, participate in performance reviews, and manage all social media accounts. My question for you guys is, are you scared of failure? In order to succeed, your desire for success should be greater than your fear of failure. Without taking risks, I wouldn't be where I am today, getting offered new jobs and opportunities through sport, and I'm very glad I did so. I'd like to say a huge thank you to Sue and Annette Nossiter for making this all happen, and for the entire BTSC community for welcoming me with open arms. I'm very excited to start next semester on a fantastic new year.